This is the login screen of the app. The patient can log into the app using Fingerprint Touch ID. He or she does not have to remember any usernames or passwords. Once the patient logs in, the home screen is shown. There are 6 main functions. I'll take you through each of them, starting with Updates. Updates is where the patient can see photos of events sent by friends and family. When the patient taps on an event, the complete collection of photos is shown. In order for the patient to remember who it is in the picture, the facial recognition technology in the app will automatically tag the photo with the name and relationship of the people in the photo. Next is Today. This screen shows the current date and weather conditions, as well as upcoming events for the day. This allows the patient to get a sense of what's going on. Photos shows a collection of photos of friends and family, grouped by person as identified by facial recognition. Tapping on a specific person will show all of the photos sent of that particular person. This helps the patient remember and recognize their friends and relatives through looking at photos on a regular basis. One of the problems that occur in Alzheimer's patients is that they have difficulty remembering phone numbers and contact information. Contacts is an easy way for the patient to contact people without having to remember phone numbers or other contact information. To contact someone, the patient taps on the contact button below, and the patient can then call or text the person by tapping on the corresponding button. Repeated calling is a frequent issue among Alzheimer's patients. If the patient tries to call within 5 minutes, the patient will be reminded. Identify is the key function of the app. Patients often cannot recognize the people around them. Using Identify, the patient can take a picture of the person. Facial recognition will then detect and identify the face in the photo and indicate who it is. This can help the patient remember who the people around them are in case they forget. In this demo, I'm going to use Taylor's photo to show you how this works. I'm going to take a picture of Taylor, then see if Kairos can identify her. As you can see, Kairos has successfully identified Taylor, and Timeless shows her name and relationship to the patient. And for technical demo purposes, I am also displaying the confidence of the recognition. The confidence is how sure Kairos is about this identification. Lastly, sometimes sadly, patients can even forget who they are. The Me function of the app provides the patient with information about themselves, including name, age, phone number, and address. Having this function can help the patient remind themselves of who they are. The app is maintained by the caregiver. The caregiver helps the patient invite friends to be part of their circle, enters events, and enrolls an initial set of photos of friends and family that the facial recognition algorithm can use as a reference to analyze and identify a person in a photo in the future. The caregiver flow has 3 main functions. The invite function allows the caregiver to invite friends and family to the app in the patient's circle so they can enroll images of themselves and other family members to add on to the patient's collection of photos. The caregiver enters the relative or friend's name, email address, and relationship. The enroll function allows the caregiver to select a photo and enter the name and relationship of the person in the photo so that it can be used as a reference for the facial recognition algorithm to recognize future images. The create event function allows the caregiver to add events to the patient's calendar. Friends and family can share pictures by tapping on the share button in the Photos app on their device, and then tapping on the Timeless icon. She can type in the title for the event. The pictures will be sent through to the artificial intelligence service to be recognized and tagged. This concludes the demo of my app. Thank you.